Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a link to your TikTok bio, how to add a YouTube link, in particular a clickable link that takes you directly to your YouTube. So first thing first, I'm going to go into my TikTok app, opening the app and going to my profile, which is me. Then I'll click on edit profile. From edit profile, I'll click on the YouTube and it takes me to a web page. And then I'm going to put in my email, your email or your phone that connects to your YouTube account. Guys, I try my best to slow this video down so you guys can literally get every single detail. And afterwards I'm going to be putting in my password immediately it loads. Please take a moment while this loads to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment what you want to see more on my channel, and I will get back to you guys. So when it loads, I'm going to click on allow on this page. Then once I allow it, I go back to my profile page to check. You are going to see the YouTube link right close to the edit profile box, and I clicked it. It take me right to my YouTube and back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I said already, please subscribe. It means a lot.